Your first cruise is exciting, but there are a few things nobody tells you until you're already on board.
Like why you're walking around the ship with your luggage, why people are eating pizza at midnight, and why finding your cabin can feel like you need a GPS.
We've cruised with Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and the Disney Cruise Line, and today we're sharing 7 things that surprise almost every first-time cruiser.
So if you're getting ready for your first cruise, hopefully these tips will help you feel prepared before you ever step on the ship.
Let's get started. Number 7. The ship is much bigger than you expect.
Pictures and videos really don't prepare you for the first time you walk onto a cruise ship. These ships can be massive.
Some of the ships are basically a floating city. Depending on your ship, you might find restaurants, theaters, pools, water slides, shopping, live music, and even mini golf. Sometimes they have ice skating rinks and a zip line.
Right. Our biggest tip for embarkation day, take some time to just explore, walk around, find the restaurants, the theaters, and all those little hidden areas that you may miss later.
Number 6, your cabin probably won't be ready when you get on board. A lot of first-time cruisers think once they get on the ship, they go straight to their cabin. Usually, not quite.
No. Your stateroom attendants are working hard getting hundreds of rooms cleaned and ready. A lot of times, cabins don't open until early afternoon.
So pack a small carry-on bag with anything important like your medication or sunscreen, a phone charger, and maybe your swimsuit. Anything you might need for a few hours.
Because your vacation starts the second you walk on board. Don't spend those first few hours wishing you had something that's packed away.
Number 5, there is food everywhere.
Before our first cruise, we really didn't understand how many food options there would be.
Most people don't know there's a main dining room. Depending on the cruise line, you can also find a buffet, pizza, burgers, tacos, desserts, coffee shop, maybe ice cream. The list keeps going.
And yes, people really are eating pizza late at night after shows and activities.
And speaking of pizza, we're going to do a pizza cruise taste test. Royal Caribbean versus Carnival Pizza Pirate Challenge. So make sure you subscribe so you can see that one coming soon. Number 4. Usually you don't feel the ship moving. Probably one of the biggest questions cruisers ask is, am I going to get seasick?
And we completely understand that concern, but modern cruise ships are designed to be incredibly stable.
Can you feel any movement? Sometimes, yes. Weather does happen. The ocean is still the ocean.
But most of the time, you may actually forget you're even moving. Don't let the fear of motion stop you from trying your first cruise.
Number 3, there's always something happening.
This was one of the biggest surprises for us. There is something happening all day and all night.
Morning trivia, pool games, live music, a show, a comedy. There's all kinds of activities, and there's always something you can do.
Our tip, check the cruise line app every morning. Pick your must-do activities because it is impossible to do everything.
Number 2, embarkation day is busy. Embarkation day is amazing. The excitement is everywhere, but it can also be a little overwhelming.
Right. Thousands of people are boarding, exploring, eating lunch, trying to figure out where everything is.
So be patient. Be patient.
Very patient.
Explore, take pictures, enjoy the moment.
Because usually by dinner time, everyone has settled in and the ship starts feeling like home.
And number 1, you may start planning your next cruise before this one is over.
This one sounds funny, but it happens all the time.
You board your first cruise thinking it's just a vacation, a few days, and then you think, where am I going to go next?
Right. That is exactly what happened to us. One cruise turned into another, and then another, and now we cannot imagine not having another adventure on the calendar.
Cruising became something that we love to do together.
And we always say, adventure has no age limit.
And before we wrap this up, we want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has supported our channel.
We officially launched our channel memberships, and we are so excited to continue building this cruising community.
If you enjoy our videos and want to become part of the crew, you can check out the join button down below. Different membership options.
Right. But whatever you want to do, Whether you want to be a member, a subscriber, or just found us today, we truly appreciate you spending your time cruising along with us.
And now we want to know what surprised you the most on your first cruise.
Leave it in the comments below because your answer could help someone getting ready for their very first sailing.
If this video helped you, hit the like button.
And subscribe because every Wednesday we share cruise tips and every Saturday we bring you along on our cruise adventures.
Thanks for cruising with us,
And we'll see you on our next adventure.